Welcome to Spyder Auto's Projector Headlight Installation Guide for the Toyota Celica. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket. Start by removing the 10mm bolt that secures the corner of the fascia at the wheel well. Then remove the 5 10mm bolts securing the fascia along the edge of the hood. Remove the plastic clip securing the fascia next to the hood latch, then remove the fascia. Remove one 10mm bolt and two 10mm nuts securing the headlight bracket. Remove the headlight bracket. Remove the three 10mm bolts that secure the headlight. Unseat the headlight. Remove all sockets and disconnect the harnesses. Locate the Spyder headlight. The beam adjusters are shown here and are 8mm. For information on wiring the halos and more, see the Spyder FAQs playlist on the Spyder Auto YouTube channel. Reinstall all sockets and reconnect the harnesses. Seat the Spyder headlight. Reinstall the three 10mm bolts that secure the headlight. Replace the headlight bracket. Reinstall the 10mm bolt and two 10mm nuts that secure the headlight bracket. Seat the bumper fascia. Reinstall the corner 10mm bolt. Reinstall the 5 10mm bolts to secure the fascia. Then reinstall the plastic clip. Just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you fitted your Toyota Celica with a set of halo projector headlights from Spyder Auto.